Today I'm going to tell you about strategic importance. Strategies are core for business success, and therefore I'm going to tell you about one company that is named 3M company, and it's a very large company selling products in different segments, and it is a leading provider of products in the world. And one competitive strategy that I'm going to tell you is that research and development activities of 3M company. The research and development activities conducted by the company enables it to develop the new products, and one example of it is that 3M company has invested over $1.8 billion for research and development activities in 2018, and this is the way that 3M company devises to gain the competitiveness to maintain its position in the market. And the second way that is contributing to enhance the competitiveness of 3M company is charging less price than by its competitors, and it is also a strength of this company. The company as many people are price conscious, so they may not purchase the high priced items. So for that purpose 3M company charging less prices from them. The next way that 3M company is using to gain competitive advantage is fostering aggressive marketing and advertising. It promotes its products very aggressively, and that helps to establish its brand name and brand image, and some conscious minds of the people remember the products and the name of the company. And the 3M company is having presence in over 200 countries, so and operational base is in 65 countries. That makes the company very robust, and a strong infrastructural capacity is being developed by the 3M company. That is also a very important point to notice, and that adds the competitiveness of this 3M company to this 3M company. And the infrastructure facilities includes the distributors and retailers. So these distributors and retailers worldwide also help to enhance the competitiveness of this company. A robust supply chain network is established by this company, and that contributes to conduct the marketing activities and also to enforce the brand image or to conduct the brand promotion. So these are the ways through which 3M company is actually promoting its products, and its position is enhanced. The next way that 3M company is involved to foster its competitiveness is participating in the social development programs and community welfare programs. It's conducting so many kind of community welfare programs and also social development activities, so that to support the community members to enhance the well-being of community and to be a good corporate citizen. So this kind of approach of 3M company also helps it to enhance its competitive advantage. Another way that the 3M company is using to enhance its competitive advantage is using user-generated content. User-generated content is a good way to market the product. User-generated content is a good testimonial of what the quality or of product or service is. So 3M company using the user-generated content so that it can convince the customers that the product's quality or service quality is good. Social media is also being used by 3M company judiciously, so that because social media is a very crucial way to reach to the target customer, as many people are using social media platforms. So the 3M company is also using this social media platforms to promote its brand image and to promote its products. So these are the ways through which the 3M companies are able to provide uh, not only products and services to the target customer, but also to foster its image well and gain a competitive advantage. And in these ways, any company can know foster their brand image and their positioning in the market, their competitive advantage. They can gain through all these ways. That I just want to recap that what I've told you. uh, One way is to foster the competitive position or competitive advantage is participating in community development programs. So a company should invest in community development programs to show that it's a good corporate citizen. Second way is to invest in research and development facilities. Research and development facilities uh, foster not only innovation but also um, make the product customized according to the needs of the customer. So by doing this, companies can ensure that yes, uh, they are offering the right type of products that meet the needs of the customer. Another way is to establish a strong distributional network. Infrastructural capacity must be enhanced so that products can be delivered conveniently to the target customer. This is also a way to enhance the competitiveness. And the social media platform that I tell you is very important nowadays, because many people use social media and are influenced by the social media um, users. So their recommendations to choose any product or service works very well. So social media must be used by the companies to